Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, just doing a quick go through on a new 2025 Avalon VTX 1980 Cruise. Just going to go through it top to bottom. We don't have a motor on it yet, just want to get it up and listed so you guys can see what it's all about. First thing, matching shoreliner trailer, steps to get in with the winch stand. Front of the boat here, you can notice we have the matte black exterior, looks really good with anodized rails, right? You follow me alongside. Very slick looking boat, blackout logos. The back of the boat here, we've got ourselves a nice little swim platform. Jump off the back, do whatever you want to do. As well as a nice 4-step ladder here. Okay, nice and easy to get in and out of the water. We're going to have this boat paired nicely with a Mercury 50 horsepower engine. So it'll be ready to go to the lake. Follow me inside to check out the interior. In the interior here, you can see what we got going on. It's a nice cognac color. We got it paired nicely with a little bit of charcoal here, so it just makes it pop a little bit. On the bottom here, we got the bronzed cladding. So it just is new this year. It looks really good. We got the blue ice package with the toe kicks there. Just makes it look really slick. When you come alongside here, you're going to notice we got ourselves pop-up privacy station, change room, restroom, whatever you want it to be. Side entry, enter and exit off the dock. At the helm here, got ourselves an upgraded chair. Tilt steering, as you can see. Nice stereo, analog gauges. The Garmin 5 fish finder, use it for fish, depth, whatever you need. All the switches and accessories. The back of the boat here, we've got ourselves a nice L-shaped seating with a removable table. Underneath here, we've got a little bit more storage with a trash can. And finally, out the back here, we got ourselves a nice little exit to get onto the back of the boat here. Do whatever you need, jump off, hang out, swim. You want to check out this boat? Check it out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership. I'd be happy to show you.